Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here at my brand new beach house that I built because of the sunset point in Bloxburg. Ever since that the new map came out, I really wanted to build a beach house because these look so much fun and just, but fun fact, I filmed this video at least 4 times. 4 times. But then I added like other things that I thought would be cool. So I just scratched that original one. Then I made a new, no, actually it might have been 3 times. I scratched the original one that I did. I realized that I missed a bedroom in the second time. And in the third time, let's just say that I was feeling sick. So, my cousin's in the game with me, okay. See, I was feeling sick the last time I did it too. So, Alright, let's get on with the video. I don't know why I'm sitting here. Okay. This house can be used for future role plays if you guys want, but you guys gotta see first. Okay, so let's see. Pathway. Oh, and by the way, this build, the layout is not designed by me. Let's just give it up for one of those TikTok building accounts. I don't know who it was, and I'm not looking because it's down in my search history. So, okay. We're gonna walk up here and turn here. Oh, I did like adding a little bit of scenery to this little area. There's like plants and trees. So yeah, you gotta add a little color when you're building. Okay. So here is the upstairs. We have a, what are these called? No. A hammock. One of those spool tables, like the wire cable, like they spin it on there. And we have a chair over here and a swing chair thing. Can use it and sit on it. Why is this giving me athletic? Confusing. Okay. Alright. Here is the spool thing over here too. We have some lights right here and we have a fan. This is really cool. It is a welcome to Bikini Bottom. It's actually a decal. So, yeah. Anyways, let's go through. Over here, we have umbrellas, a coat hanger with a coat on it, and the shoes of all the family members that live here. So, that's pretty cool, I guess. So, yeah. Over here is the laundry room. Door kind of hits the baskets and stuff. You have some tropical photos and some laundry things. There's like different things over here. Can't even see this. Oh my gosh, there's towels and more soaps that I just pretended were soaps. They're really just perfume bottles. Here's another photo. Here's the ironing board, cleanup thing, a bag, and the washing machines, and the chores. Do your homework, do the laundry, wash the dishes, make your bed, clean the kitchen. If you're the oldest, you must babysit when I work. Love, Dad. Okay. Here is the living room with some games. So I'm pretending that these are like games because I have a shelf dedicated to all the games, like board games and stuff. So they have a fireplace. They have the couches and a TV, of course, and firewood. Here are some AI images that I asked of the family. So I made it, and I thought it was really cool. This one right here is super creepy because some girl's face like made a mistake. So yeah. Anyways, here are all the whatever they're called, all the cartoon AI photos. Alright. The dinner table. Here is the dinner table. It has some little flowers that I colored with the paint tool in Bloxburg. Here's the kitchen. Really small. It's just like a traditional kitchen. In here is the bathroom. A little cramped. There's 3 sinks in here. And then just some photos, more photos, a toilet right next to a window. Probably not the best idea. A plunger, and this is what I used for my Sunshine Hotel for a lot of the rooms. Same design. You'll see what I mean whenever I do that tour in a couple months. Here is the bathtub. Same design, because this thing is cheaper if you use the bathtub like this. Down here is one of the movie rooms. We have a microphone, the TV, a candy bowl. Then we have these giant speakers, a straw thing, some cups. That blue and thing is supposed to be peanut butter and jelly. I don't know, I thought of it. A fruit bowl, an ice cream maker, spices, because you can put spices on your popcorn. It's like caramel or caramel popcorn. There's like salt, buttered popcorn stuff. There is a mini fridge too I forgot about in the last build. And there's the TV. Oh, what is this? Innovation Awards ceremony taking place. I didn't know they updated it. Okay. Over here is the school area for the younger people, for the younger kids, in case they're here on vacation. Well, there's school in session and they can do homeschool. So it says the student schedule and class schedule. So here's the desks. They have these traditional computers, a book. They also have some sticky notes and some pens. Over here, I added it as a mirror. I don't know why, but I did. So there it is. Here's some more photos of the family that lives here. Over here is the parents' bedroom, because it's a little bigger. This is a giant mirror, not a TV. And then we have two dressers, some of these scent things, just jewelry, some towels, and some flowers. We have an alarm clock and a phone right there. Here is the bathroom for downstairs for the parents' room. It's really cluttered in here. We have these bowl sinks with a giant mirror. They have all the necessities they need. Here's the shower without a curtain. And we have some soaps. Here is the Cramps toilet. Can use it while you're in here. There is a plunger and toilet paper too. Over here is a younger child's bedroom. I like the colors of the wall for this one. She has like makeup, a mirror, some towels, a dresser, and a TV. She also has a book, an alarm clock, and a remote. Here is the garage. Oh, so I was showing my cousin this build too, and she kind of just like touched my stuff, so I had to put that back somewhere. Okay. I don't know where. I can't place it. Oh well. Anyways, we have some traffic cones, some like that corkboard back there. All the paint. Fun fact: these paint are the colors of every single room in the house. So, yeah. And then we have like tools. These paints are just some aesthetic colors. Same with these things. Those spray paints, really. And then we have our power box over here. Okay, and now we go downstairs. We go upstairs. So here we go. Tripping over it. Here is the last few bedrooms. Here's a younger child's bedroom. He has a bookshelf. Two of them connected, really. A dresser, a seat, a bed, and then one of these things that spins and plays his music. We have a diaper changing table and some binkies, baby binkies, really. We have the older child's bedroom with this mirror, some jewelry, a crystals, a Tyler the Creator poster, a bed. We have this nice window. We have this image that I uploaded. We have an alarm clock and some books. And this is my favorite vanity. How cute is this? Because I made it myself. Has all the makeup you need. Alright. And with that, the build has been finished. This build took a little bit of time for how small it is, but I love it. I eventually maybe will do a roleplay here. Another video that was scratched. Let's talk about that really quick. Hold on. There was another video that was scratched. I might do it in the future though. I was gonna build a backyard, but I ran out of money mid-thing and I didn't want to continue it, so I just left it the way it is. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And hope you enjoy the next videos that I post, because, like, why not? And without further ado, I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.